Hello class, Miss Nicole here. Today we are going to talk about annotating mentor text. Firstly, what is a mentor text? Well, it's a piece of text that we are going to study deeper than its content. Why would we want to study our text deeper? Because our own writing is enhanced when we study the writing of others. When reading a text, we should be looking for some key components. Look at the text structure. Find important themes and ideas. Make connections with the text and with other texts or your life. When we read, we should be underlining, highlighting, and making notes. Looking for these things helps us comprehend and grow as a reader and a writer. Well, yes, you are. Here's your assignment. You will annotate a text for our immigration unit. There will be a link to the reading in the description below. There's also a link for your annotation symbols and text. It's all within a Google Doc folder. You will hand in a printed copy of the text with your annotations. Don't forget to write your name and make personal connections to the text. Message me if you have any questions. You're awesome.